Welcome students. In this class we are going to see few examples on pulley and pulley, spring and mass combinations, how they perform simple harmonic motion if the combination is given. So when it is in the normal position, so what is the cause of the oscillations? Cause of the oscillation is restoring force. That restoring force is due to, this is due to whom? Spring. Restoring force due to spring, but immediate cause of the restoring force is nothing but tension. Okay, so immediate cause of the restoring force is unbalanced force. So let's write, if I displace the body by x, okay, if I displace the body by x, so the restoring force is due to a tension. Tension is nothing but net force. Okay, net force is in the upward direction, displaced in the downward direction, but acceleration force is in the upward direction. Now I want to get tension. What is the tension here? T is equal to the spring constant K. It is displaced by say x1, so T is equal to K into x1, but we should know x1 and x relation. So let's write in a force work equations, work done by tension plus work done by spring is equal to 0, because total work done is equal to 0. So work done by tension is tension in the upward direction and displacement in the downward direction, so minus T into x plus work done by spring is nothing but force T into x, T into x1 is equal to 0, because tension in the downward direction, string also extended in the downward direction, so x is equal to x1. So we got the relation x is equal to x1. So we can write the relation force is T is equal to K, x1 is nothing but x, T is nothing but force, so F is equal to ma, force in the upward direction, so minus kx, a is equal to minus k by m into x, so time period is equal to 2 pi root m by k, so time period for this case. So let's go to the other case. So my handwriting went little bit inclined, fine, but still let's see the next part. Here is two springs are given. See any number of springs. Here is the spring constant k1, k2. First displace the body by x, so I am assuming it extends by x1, it also extends upwards by x2. Okay, so let the relation first step we should get the relations between x1, x2 and x. How? With the work theorem. So tension T into x, so T, if you draw the free body diagram, tension in the upward direction, x in the downward direction, work done is minus T into x, work done on mass. So let's go to the pulley. First pulley, second, take second, and this is the second and the first one. Okay, second one, so 2T is acting in the upward direction, so 2T into x2, work done in a second spring. If you want to see how much tension T and T, and the downward force is displacement is x2, 2T into x2, and x2 also is in the same direction, spring 2, work done in spring 1, so tension T and how much displaced, x1, so plus T into x1, and if you write total work done is equal to 0, it will be minus Tx plus 2T x2 plus T x1 is equal to 0, T gets cancelled, 2x2 plus x1 is equal to x. First relation. Next, get relation second step. Relation between x1 and x2. See here, so here what is the tension in the rope? Tension is nothing but, see how much is the force T, and T is nothing but k1 into x1, T is equal to k1 into x1. So if you go to the other side, k2 x2 is equal to what? If you draw the spring diagram, T T and T, because massless pulley downward direction K2 into X2, so 2T is equal to K2 X2. 2T is equal to K2 X2. I can write this as 2 K1 X1 is equal to K2 X2. So I got the relation between X1 and X2. X1 is equal to K2 by 2 K1 into X2. So equation 2. So what is the cause of the spring to extend? Spring to extend is third step. Now we are going to see. So T is equal to, what is the value? What is the cause for the body to block to move upwards? Immediate cause T. Okay. So T is the cause for the body to move. T is equal to K1 X1. Matlab unbalanced force in the tension is nothing but spring force. K1 into X1. It is also equal to K2 X2 by 2. Okay. So we already know X1 and X2 relations. So X2 is equal to, I am going to simplify this, 2x2 plus x1 is equal to x. So I am going to write in x1 term or x2 term. So I should at last I should get net force is equal to k into x. This x should be there, not x1 and x2. So to get x1, so I should replace x1 with x. So x2 I can write it, x1 I can write it as, or x2 I am replacing with the 2 into x2 is equal to 2 k1 by k2 into x1 plus x1 is equal to x. So I can write this one, x1 is equal to, so if it goes to other side, x into k2 by 4 k1 plus k2. This is the x2 value. So x1 we got, okay. So tension T is equal to k1 x1. T is equal to k1 x1 I am writing with k2 by 4 k1 plus k2 into x. I can write F is equal to MA, A is equal to minus k into k1, k equivalent into x. What is the k equivalent value? K1 k2 by 4 k1 plus k2. So this is the equivalent k value, and as a, so to get the time period, 2 pi by square root of m by k equivalent. So any question you just need to get do three steps. First get a relation between x1 and x2 and x. First step, first do this step, x1 and x2 and x, and next do x1 and x2. Then write T is equal to k1 x1, it is equal to k2 x2 by 2. So get the relation between these two and try to solve this. Okay, any problem you can solve in this way. Okay, thank you.